Be careful of exclusivity contracts in the licensed cannabis industry. So when it comes to licensed cannabis, it's new in a lot of ways to a lot of different people. And you'll encounter certain times where some people either come in not knowing, they come in from other industries and they don't understand the unique, extensive dynamics that the cannabis industry forces you to adapt to. And there's tons of people, countless people that come in thinking that the cannabis industry is going to adapt to their systems and ways, especially from corporate. And it's the furthest from the truth. And so what happens is people are constantly trying new ways to secure income for their business, especially license holders. Because the license holders in the state ultimately kind of get the short end of the stick unless they have a successful brand as well. Because the license holders are the ones shouldering all the compliance, the tax, the operations, the employees, and there's a lot that goes into that. And I know this. I used to own a licensed grow in downtown LA, and fortunately I was able to sell it, and it was a great experience. I had it for almost 3 years, but it's something that without the right people and team in place, and also having the right channels from the brand to the sales, everything, to where you're not relying on a wholesale market, that's truly the trick to it all.